Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a moving average to your chart in TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful service slash site slash application which you can use to keep track of several options and stocks. You can see how their value has changed over time in the selected time window which you would like. You can also view their charts to see how their market price trajectory went. You can also add several indicators which can help you with making prognoses and predictions for the future. You can also make trades yourself if you're connected to a broker, as I am connected to Pepperstone, as you can see, and so on and so forth. The opportunities and possibilities are pretty much endless. Now, the way that you add a moving average is by adding an indicator. And what is an indicator and how you can actually add it? Indicators are basically just tools which can modify your chart to show you more information which can be useful. Now, to add one of them, you just go to the indicator button and press it and you'll get this menu open. Keep in mind, if you do have a free account, you are limited to 3 indicators at a time, so make sure that you are keeping track of how many indicators you have. Now, to actually add a moving average, you just go to the search bar and just type in moving average. Now, as you can see, there are several types of moving averages. You can do the convergence and divergence. You can do the exponential, ribbon, simple, weighted, and so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, I want to add the ribbon. Just click on it, and as you can see, it is added to my chart. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.